If your Jeep Compass key fob battery dies for 2018-2023 models, don't worry. All models include a physical key blade hidden inside the fob. Look for a small button or slider on the fob. Press or slide it to release the key blade. Now use this key to manually unlock the driver's side door. Insert the key into the lock cylinder on the door handle and turn to unlock. For rear access, check if the rear hatch has a physical key slot as well. This bypasses the keyless entry system entirely. Once inside your Jeep Compass, starting the engine with a dead fob is still possible. Place the dead key fob on the center console, specifically near the Start button. There is often a key icon on or around where the fob needs to be placed. The vehicle's immobilizer should detect the fob's transponder chip when it's in close proximity. With the fob in place, press the Start button as usual. The engine should start. Remember to always ensure the vehicle is in park with the brakes applied before attempting to start the engine. If this doesn't work, consult your owner's manual for model-specific instructions, as some models might require inserting the key blade into the ignition switch if equipped. To prevent future issues, replace the CR2032 battery in your key fob regularly. This completes starting the engine with a dead key fob.